Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you're doing well. So I really wanted to do a birthday glam. Happy birthday to all the Leos this month. This is what I did on the night of my birthday. Let's do our makeup together. I miss doing my makeup with people. I am such a loner. So I'm just going to start off with my primer. As you know, I always use the Dior primer. This one's really good for like smoothing out your pores and whatnot. I have this big ass pimple right there. Oh, it's disgusting. I hate it. My mum got me this necklace. It's got a T on it and a clear quartz crystal. Oh my God, I love her. She's my best friend. I think I put a bit of this on the night. This is the Becca Shimmer Skin Perfector. So many sirens. So noisy. So I'm going to put a bit of my Marc Jacobs Remarkable. This is my go-to, especially for going out and when you're like out drinking. This lasts all day. So I'm going to use the Born This Way, the Born This Way concealer. It's the multi-use sculpting concealer in caramel. My nose, underneath. My soulmate hasn't come through yet. Still waiting. If you've seen my previous video, I had some psychics tell me who my soulmate was and what they look like. Now I'm going to use my Hourglass translucent powder. This one's really nice. So I'm just going to get my beauty blender and just push this in. I'm just going to use my Shade and Light Kat Von D, and I'm going to use like an angled brush like this, and I'm just going to tap. No double chinny today. My Global Glow, my favorite. I'm going to use New Romance, just like a paddle brush like this, and I'm going to put this all over, so just pat it in. So for the eyes, I like to use this Huda Beauty quad, and I'm going to use this shade here, and all I'm going to do is kind of make a crease shape. So what I like to do is go all the way in the inner socket, connecting to the nose contour, doing circular motions, and I'm just going all the way up. You can feel your brow bone in there, and then what I like to do at the end is get a little bit more. Hope you can see, and then I like to literally just go flick it up. I like to blend it on the outside and kind of like flick it up in a way, and it creates that like cat eye look. So that's where you begin, and then you build your shades up. I always say to my clients, practice, just practice. It's seriously like, you know, it's not gonna happen straight away, but if you keep practicing, you will be able to do it yourself. I taught myself how to do makeup. I was like watching like Michelle Phan, and like my thing, it was my therapy really as a teenager, just doing my makeup. But yeah, so the next thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna use my Soft Glam. I actually want to buy me one of these. Like, look at it, I'm hitting pen on everything. So I'm gonna use Rustic, which is like a brown shade. I'm just gonna use the same brush that we just used, and I'm gonna lightly, because you gotta hold your brush like kind of lightly, otherwise if you go like this, it's just gonna be really tight and really sharp, and you don't want that because you want it to be blendable. So what I would like to do is do the same thing kinda to how we did it before. I'm literally just flicking up, if you see what I mean, like that. To get a little bit more on my brush, tap it off, and I'm literally like lightly blending it all the way to the middle. So for the next step, I'm going to use a darker shade. I'm going to use this Cypress. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just kind of redo what you did with the other brown, and just go in and out, flicking up and to the side, so it creates that shape. Now I'm going to go back in with that other shade that we had before and Rusty, re-dip into that, and we're going to blend those two shades together. I'm going to get a concealer. I like to use my Pearl a little bit on the brush, and I'm literally just going making like a new eyelid. Just gonna get my finger and tap the outside a little bit. My Mercury Retrograde palette. Look how beautiful this is, by the way. Like, love it. With Monumentum, which is this pinky, it's like a light fleshy shade, but it's kind of pink on the lid. I'm just gonna push this where we put the concealer. And do the same on the other side, just make sure there's no creasing. So it gets really hard to blend. Use my Jet eyeliner. See, look at how small this is. I love it for detail. I'm going to make a wing. So I'm going to use this shade here, the dark brown, and an angled brush. And what I like to do is go over that line that we just did, the wing, and push and kind of make it look like you've blended the brown, like it's a brown eyeliner, but it's not. It's black. I just really like that smoky look. Oh, something's stinging my eyeball. Ow. I think that feels better. God, beauty is pain. That pink again, this pinky shade. Tap off the excess and just tap on top of that pink. See, that made such a difference. Can't forget underneath. Lighter brown that we used on the top. It's like the brush that you get in the Anastasia palette. Blend that. But I'm just going to put some of this. I got this Power Chrome Loose Eye Pigment. When I open this, the whole freaking thing fell out. This whole entire thing fell out. Lucky on my bench. I would have had a fun time picking that off the floor. My dog would have probably ate it, like really gently underneath. So it kind of looks like, I don't know if you can see that. It's just underneath my eye. I use these Ardell Wispies. They're the thicker ones though. These, you'll see when I put them on, I guess. Okay, so I did my brows and my eyelashes. So I just gotta finish off the brows because I don't really want to film it because it's so boring. So I'm just going to use my brow soap, and I got like little sleeves. Such an idiot, I was waxing my eyebrows the other night. I like to like get the brush and like trim. I trimmed a little bit off this one and I'm not happy about it. It was a dick move. I'm gonna spray a bit of this setting spray. This one's matte. It's like this frothy stuff. I don't like it. I like the original one better. They had none left and I was like, oh fine, I'll just get the matte one. Totally regret it. Don't get the matte one. Get foundation in your hair. Oh my god, I just took a bit of my face off. Oh. Get my highlighting palette and I'm going to use this shade here. It's called Blissful. And do it 9 nose. What did I use on the night? I think I used something similar to this. I used my KKW one, but I'm going to use Strip Down because it's similar. Used a bit of He's a Mixer by KKW. I actually love the color of this. It's so nude. I'm gonna put a bit of Mannequin on as well from Jeffree Star. I'm gonna put a bit of this on. This is it. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Like, I enjoy doing my makeup. It's my favorite thing in the whole world. So if you guys really like this video, please give it a thumbs up and come subscribe to my channel to see more stuff like this. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Okay, I'm done.